Today we are going to start question number 3b. Solve any two sub questions from the following, and it carries 6 marks. So any two sub questions for 6 marks, that means one question carries 3 marks. Okay. In this question there are 4 sub questions given, and out of that 4 sub questions you have to solve any 2 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. That means student, for 3 marks question follow minimum 6 steps. Okay, minimum 6 steps required. More than 6 is okay. Okay. So first sub question is solve. Here 2 simultaneous equations given and we have to solve this equation. First equation is 49x minus 57y equal to 172. Carry these equations in your answer sheet. Here give equation number 1. Second equation is 57x minus 49y equal to 252. Give here equation number 2. Now students, if you observe these equations, you can see that the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. The coefficient of x is in first equation is 49, which is the coefficient of y in second equation. Coefficient of y is 57, minus 57 in first equation, and in second equation it is the coefficient of x. So coefficients are interchanged. So when such types of linear equations given, first we have to add these equations and then we have to subtract these equations, so that we will get 2 simple linear equations in 2 variables, and then it will be easy to solve. Okay. So let us add these 2 equations. So write the order adding equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. So 49x minus 57y equal to 172 plus 57x minus 49y equal to 252. So add these equations. 49x plus 57x, like algebraic expressions addition, add coefficients. 9 plus 7, 16, carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 7. 106x minus 106y equal to 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4, 24. And students, here this each term is divisible by 106. So divide both the sides by 106. Dividing both the sides by 106. So here first term is 106x minus 106 minus 106y divided by 106 equal to 424 divided by 106. Okay. This 106 get divisible. So answer is 1. So 1x we never write. So write only x. Minus here also you will get y. 424 divided by 106. You will get answer 4 equal to 4. So this is our new equation. See, which is the simple equation, x minus y equal to 4. Give here equation number 3. Okay, equation number 3. Now we will subtract the equation. Now for that you have to observe the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x in second equation is greater than the coefficient of x in first equation. 57 is greater than 49. So we have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So from equation 2 means here this second equation we have to write first. 57x minus 49y equal to 252 minus 49x minus 57y equal to 172. Now due to this minus sign, in second equation the sign of each term gets changed due to this minus. So this 49x becomes minus, this 57y is minus, it becomes plus, and here minus. Now subtract. 57 minus 49. 57 minus 49, answer is 8. So 8x. Now minus 49y plus 57y. You have to take this new sign. So here 57 minus 49 again 8. But here 57 is greater number. It is having sign plus. So here you have to write plus sign. Plus 8y. Now subtract this. 2 minus 2, 0. 15 minus 7, 8. 80. Now again each term is divisible by 8. So here write dividing both the sides by 8. Dividing both the sides by 8. So first term is 8x. So 8x divided by 8 plus 8y divided by 8 equal to 80 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. So here you will get x plus y is equal to 10. Again here we got second simple equation, x plus y equal to 10. Here give next equation number 4. Okay. So by adding and subtracting we got two simple equation, x minus y equal to 4 and x plus y equal to 10. Now we will solve these two equations. You can see the coefficient of y is equal and it is having opposite sign. So add this equation, adding equation 3 and equation 4. Adding equation 3 and equation 4. Equation 3 is x minus y equal to 4 plus x plus y is equal to 10. And x plus x, 2x. Plus y minus y get cancelled. 10 plus 4, 14. Therefore, x is equal to 14 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 7. 2 7s are 14. Now, this value of x, you can substitute either in equation 3 or equation 4. But in equation number 4, we are having here plus sign, so it is easy to solve. Okay. So, substituting x equal to 7. Substituting x equal to 7 in equation 4. So equation 4 is x plus y equal to 10. X is equal to 7. 7 plus y equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 7. So y is equal to 3. So here we got the solution, and then the last end of the solution is answer. Therefore, x equal to 7 and y equal to 3 is the solution of given equations. can write the answer this way also. Solution is bracket x comma y equal to 7 comma 3. Either you can write in full statement or you can write in this way. But answer is necessary. Follow? So here we completed the solution. This sum came for 3 marks. Next up, question number 2. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus 10x plus 2 equal to 0 using formula. Okay. So students, while solving quadratic equation using formula, first most important thing is equation we required in standard form. Okay. And second step is using the standard form we have to find the values of A, B and C. Okay. So let us start the solution. First write down the given quadratic equation x square plus 10x plus 2 equal to 0. Then check whether it is in standard form or not. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is in standard form. Okay. Now compare this with standard form and find the value of ABC. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 1 because square term is only x square, so its coefficient is 1. A equal to 1, b equal to 10 and c equal to 2. After getting these values, we have to find the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay. B is equal to 10. 10 square minus 4 into A 1 into B 2. 10 square is 100 minus 4 2s are 8. 100 minus 8 is equal to 92. Okay. So here we got the value of b square 92. b square minus 4ac 92. Now we have to use formula. X equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. See, you have to by heart the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substitute values. Minus b is equal to 10 plus minus square root b square minus 4ac, that value we got 92. So substitute here 92. Okay. Then upon 2a. So 2 multiplied by a. A is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 plus minus. Now we have to find the factors of 92. We have to convert this in mixer. Okay. So one of the factor we require square term. So let here the first factor is 4 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 1 carry 2 12. So 4 3s are 12. So we got here 4 multiplied by 22 divided by 2 1s are 2. 2. Up to this understood? Okay. Next part. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 and 23 remains under square root. So here you will get 2 root 23 divided by 2. Now from 10 and 2 get common factor 2. In bracket minus 5 you have to divide by 2. 2 5 are 10. So minus 5 plus minus these 2 we got common. So here only root 23 remains divided by 2. So these 2 get cancelled and we got minus 5 plus minus root 23. So here there are 2 values. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 plus root 23 or x is equal to minus 5 minus root 23. So these are the roots of the given quadratic equation.